let's solve the integral of cosine to the power 5x. Firstly is to factor out 1 cosine of x. So this would be the integral of cosine to the power 4x multiplied by cosine x dx. Now, let us transform this into its trigonometric identity, which would be cosine squared of x would be equal to 1 minus sine squared of x. This was derived from the formula of cosine squared of x plus sine squared of x equal to 1. And so, what we need here is cosine squared of x, and what we have here is cosine to the power 4 of x. So, let us make this the integral of cosine squared of x raised to the power of 2 multiplied by cosine x dx. Now, next step would be to transform cosine squared of x into its identity, which would be the integral of 1 minus sine squared of x raised to the power of 2 cosine of x dx. Next step would be to use u substitution for simplification first. Let u here be sine of x, and the derivative of sine of x would be cosine x, and multiply this by dx. So, let us substitute all our values. So this would be the integral of 1 minus sine squared of x. This would be u squared raised to the power of 2. As you can see here, cosine x dx is the same as du, which is this. So just put du in here. Next step would be to expand this expression. So this is expansion of squares. 1 minus 2 multiplied by ab, which would be 1 multiplied by u squared, plus u squared raised to the power of 2 would be u to the power of 4 of du. Now that we have this, we can now integrate this one by one. The integral of 1 du is simply u. The integral of 2u squared du would be equal to 2u to the power of 3 over 3. And the integral of u to the power 4 du is u to the power of 5th over 5. And don't forget to add the constant of integration. We are not yet done here because we first have to substitute u back into its original form. Remember that u is equal to sine x. So our final answer would be sine of x minus 2/3. U here is sine x to the power of 3 plus 1/5 sine to the power of 5 of x plus c.